In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a debit or credit card from your PayPal account. If you no longer want a card connected to PayPal, the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and sign in to your PayPal account. Make sure you're using the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page and click Wallet. This is where PayPal stores your linked payment methods, including bank accounts and cards. Inside the Wallet section, you'll see the debit and credit cards currently connected to your account. Take a moment to find the specific card you want to remove. If you have several cards saved, double-check the last few digits so you select the correct one. That small step can help prevent removing the wrong payment method by mistake. After choosing the card, open its details page. On that page, look for the option labeled Remove Card. Click it to begin removing the card from your account. Depending on your account settings or device, PayPal may display a confirmation message to make sure you really want to complete this action. When that confirmation appears, go ahead and confirm that you want to remove the card. This step is important because it finalizes the change. Once confirmed, PayPal should process the request right away. After that, return to your wallet and check that the card no longer appears in the list of saved payment methods. This is a good final verification step, just to make sure the card was successfully removed. If you still see it listed, refresh the page and check again. Keep in mind that if the card is being used for recurring payments, subscriptions, or as a preferred payment method, you may want to review those settings separately before or after removing it. That can help avoid payment interruptions later on. And that's all there is to it. Sign into PayPal, open wallet, select the card, click remove card, confirm the action, and then verify that it's gone from your account. Once you've done that, your PayPal wallet will be updated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove a debit or credit card from your PayPal account quickly and confidently.